Get it. It's a cicada. Oh, get it. Oh. Oh, did it get you?
To accuse the baby mama of like sleeping around to begin with, but like y'all, you just open a whole can of worms, and it's just ironic that they were accusing you of being like unfaithful when his own dad is like not his dad. You know what I'm saying? Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Hello, guys, please invite me. My baby daddy, he's not doing anything for the baby. Then I went to him at work for Pampers money, but he ignored me. And I watched his phone, and I took his iPhone, and I told him that I'm going to sell it. This guy never came after me.
Hey y'all, hope you're having a super great day. So, I'm going to teach y'all a little lesson here. My hair is just frizzy as all get out. The humidity and Cincy is crazy. But you know what? I don't give a fuck. And I'm going to teach you something. Do you want to be a little happier? Do you want to accept yourself a little more and love yourself a little more? Here's how you do it. Okay, they don't teach you something in school growing up. You are given X amount of fucks. That's it. You're given like 100 of them for your whole life. That's how many fucks you have to give. Keep them. Save all the fucks you have left. Stop giving them out. For free, especially. Just stop giving them out. They're your fucks. Hold on to them. Save them for really important shit. Really beautiful stuff. Save them for the amazing stuff. The stuff that makes you go, oh. That stuff. The stuff that makes your heart skip a beat. That's where you give a fuck. If you look at something and go, oh wow. That's when you give a fuck. If someone's bringing drama into your life, give them no fucks. Hold your fucks. Keep them. Keep them. That person doesn't deserve your fucks. Keep them for someone who matters. Keep them for yourself, because you matter. So, that's my lesson today, and how to be a little happier. So, I apologize about the traffic. Again, y'all know I walk places. So, saving the planet. It's my story, and I'm sticking to it. But, anyway, so, give less fucks. Save them for important shit. Not the people who are bringing drama into your life. Not the toxic motherfuckers. They don't deserve your fucks. They have their own fucks. So, you've only got so many. Save them for the important shit. Be nicer when you go outside. If you see someone, smile. Say hi. Simple stuff. The simple stuff that matters, y'all. Again, I apologize about the traffic. Be happier. I hope you have a blessed safe, happy, awesome 4th of July. Sorry. All right, one more car. Cool. I think we're done for a second, at least this way. Anyways, so that's all I have to say today. Yeah, that's it. So be happy. Put a smile on your face. You are definitely worth it. If you're an addict or know an addict that needs help, hit me up. I will help you find the resources you need. I'll give a fuck to you. But anyway, hope you all have a great day. Bye. A little happier. Sup?